Welcome back to Formfully channel. This is part 3 of BizSkill Track 1 MCQ series. Let's continue with the MCQs. Question number 31. Which of the following are benefits of professional networking? Select all that apply. Options are as below. The correct options are A, B, D. Professional networking increases visibility, provide access to job opportunities not advertised publicly, and enhance professional reputation. So correct options are A, B, and D. Next MCQ. What are effective strategies for expanding your professional network? Select all that apply. Options are as below. The correct answer are A, C, and D. Attending conferences, participating in online forums, and building a personal brand are effective strategies for networking. Question number 33. What can professional networking help you achieve? Select all that apply. Options are as below. Career advancement, industry insights, personal friendships, or immediate job offers. And the correct options are A, B, and C. Networking can help with career advancement, gaining industry insights, and building personal friendships, but it does not guarantee immediate job offers. Next MCQ. Which activities can be considered as networking? Select all that apply. Options are as below. The correct answer are A, B, and D. Attending a professional seminar, then sending follow-ups emails to new contacts, and complaining about your job online are the activities can be considered as networking. Next question. What are common mistakes in professional networking? Select all that apply. Options are as below. Among this, the correct options are A, B, and D. Failing to follow up, only contacting people when in need, and not preparing for networking events are the common mistakes in professional networking. Next MCQ. How can networking enhance your career? Options are as below. The correct answer are A, B, and D. By providing mentorship opportunities, by giving access to exclusive job posting, and by building industry relationships. Moving to next question. Which of the following are good networking practices? Select all that apply. Options are as below. The correct options are A, B, and C. A, by offering help before asking for it. B, regularly updating your LinkedIn profile. And C, following up with contacts periodically are the good networking practices. Next MCQ. What should you include in a follow-up message after a networking event? Select all that apply. Options are below. A brief reminder of your meeting. B, a request for a job. C, a thank you note. D, an offer to help with something. And the correct answers are A, C, and D. A brief reminder of your meeting, and a thank you note, and an offer to help with something. Next MCQ. Why is building a professional brand important in networking? Select all that apply. Options are as below. Among this, the correct answers are A, C, and D. A, it differentiates you from others. C, it showcases your expertise. D, it enhances your professional reputations. Next MCQ. Which of the following is a key component of networking? Options are as below. The professional etiquette. B, immediate job offer. C, financial gain. D, avoiding industry events. And the correct answer is A, professional etiquette is crucial in networking as it helps build and maintain relationships. Next MCQ. Which activities can be merged with mindfulness practice? Select all that apply. Options are below. Running, watching TV, yoga, or standing meditation. And the correct options are A, C, and D. Running, yoga, and standing meditation can be merged with mindfulness practice. Next MCQ. Which benefits are associated with regular mindfulness practice? Select all that apply. Options are improved mental flexibility, decreased cognitive decline, increased stress level, or greater emotional stability. And the correct options are A, B, and D. Next MCQ. Which statement about mindfulness are true? Select all that apply. Options are as below. Among this, the correct answer is A and C. A, mindfulness is the basic human ability to be fully present. And C, mindfulness helps us break down conditional responses. These are the true statements about mindfulness. MCQ 44. Which practices are considered formal way to take up mindfulness? Select all that apply. Options are as below. Among this, the correct answers are A, B, and D. A. Mindfulness-based stress reduction, mindfulness-based cognitive therapy, and smartphone app guided meditations are the practices which are considered formal way to take up mindfulness. Next MCQ, what are some characteristics of a compassion meditation? Select all that apply. Options are as below. The correct answer are A and B. A reduces negative emotions like anxiety, and B increases positive emotions like happiness. Next MCQ, what is the goal of mindfulness based cognitive therapy? Options are, among this, the correct answer is B. To combine cognitive therapy with mindfulness strategy is the goal of mindfulness based cognitive therapy. Next question, which of the following are mindfulness based interventions? Select all that apply. Options are as below. Among this, the correct answers are B and D. Mindfulness based stress reduction and mindfulness based cognitive therapy. Next question, which elements are part of the definition of mindfulness? Select all that apply. Options are as below. Among this, the correct answer are A and C. Mindfulness involves paying attention to the present moment and cultivating a non-judgmental attitude. Next question, which of the following is true about integrating mindfulness into daily life? Options are as below. The correct answer is C. It can enhance everyday activities. Next, which method involves the use of pairwise comparison between alternatives? Options are payback analysis, B. Decision tree analysis, C. Cost benefit analysis, or decision matrix. And the correct answer is D. The decision matrix method involves pairwise comparison between alternatives against a number of criteria to rank them effectively. Next question, what is the primary goal of network analysis? Options are as below. The correct answer is C. To plan, schedule, and control large complex projects. Network analysis aims to develop a network for planning, scheduling, and controlling the performance of activities in large complex projects. Next question, which decision-making technique is useful when there is a rational policy for obtaining outcomes? Options are intuitive approach, rational approach, quantitative decision making, or optimizing approach. And the correct answer is C. Quantitative decision making. It is the most useful when there is a rational policy for obtaining outcomes, as it relies on numerical and quantifiable data. Next MCQ, what is the limitation of the optimizing approach to decision making? Options are as below. And the correct answer is B. The optimizing approach assumes that the decision makers have clearly defined criteria and perfect knowledge of all alternatives, which is often unrealistic. Next MCQ, the intuitive approach to decision making is based on deductive reasoning and factual information, numerical and quantifiable data, hunches and intuitions, or pairwise comparison of alternatives. And the correct answer is C. The intuitive approach relies on managers making decisions based on hunches and intuitions rather than rational analysis or factual data. Next question, when should simulation as a decision-making technique be adopted? Options are as below. The correct answer is C. Simulation can be adapted for training employees in a simulated environment without affecting actual operations, among other applications. Next question, which decision-making approach involves setting criteria and evaluating all alternatives against these criteria? Options are intuitive approach, rational approach, satisfying approach, or optimizing approach. And the correct answer is D. The optimizing approach involves setting decision criteria, gathering information, identifying alternatives, and evaluating each alternative against the criteria. Next question, what does the decision matrix primarily evaluate? Options are single dimensional options, qualitative benefits of a project, multidimensional options, or the overall feasibility of a project? Correct answer is C. The decision metric is used to evaluate and rank multidimensional options by comparing various alternatives against multiple criteria. Next MCQ. When should simulation as a decision-making technique be adopted? Options are as follow. The correct answer is C. Simulation can be adapted for training employees in a simulated environment without affecting actual operations, among other applications. Next question. Which approach assumes that human rationality has limits and decisions are made based on simplified models? Options are as below. The correct answer is C. The bounded rationality approach acknowledges the limitations in human rationality and suggests that decisions are made based on simplified models of reality. Last question. In cost benefit analysis, what is considered to measure the feasibility of a project? Options are as below. The correct answer is C. Cost benefit analysis measures the feasibility of a project by comparing both the total cost incurred and the benefit derived from it. So correct option is C, both the cost and benefit involved. Thanks for watching.